Try to catch me howling at the moon.
It's not how much money you make, it's how much you keep. Right. By far, the two largest expenses you'll have in your business each year are people and taxes. And at the last event, People Day, we talked about that and how to get the most out of your people so that they can get the most out of you and your business can be super efficient, right? What about taxes? What if I told you that you can get a significant discount on many of the things that you're already paying for throughout the year just by paying for them a little bit differently? Literally, just by paying for them a little bit differently. And this includes software and vendor costs like your marketing agency, your web company, consultants, printers, even possibly some of your utilities, rent, many of the other things that cost the business money. And what if on all those things you got about 15 to 30% off many of those expenses? If not all of them, just by restructuring the way that you pay for them. How many of you believe that would change the bottom line pretty well for you, right? I'll tell you, it creates a lot of extra cash, and you would have had to keep paying for all these things the way that your less financially intelligent competitors would do, and they're getting the same value as you, they're just paying a lot more for it, and you guys are able to reinvest that money back in your business instead. How many of you have heard of tax preparers before? Yep. How about tax planners? Anybody know the difference? Tax preparers help you prepare the paperwork and the items needed in order to properly file your tax so you get it done right. A good tax planner will help you plan ahead, look at previous years, and help you come up with a strategy to limit the amount that you pay on taxes, just make better decisions for the future. And that could be substantial. We're going to talk about these things as well as a few ways you can leverage how you pay for things so that many of the expenses in your business come at about a 15 to 30% discount just by doing these little tweaks. Sound good?